Hello, let me take you to the last 100 yards or maybe last 10 yards of the last mile connect that is so important to us as a society. So I take you to the Gyan Sathi school on the periphery of the Deonar waste dump, East Govindi, Mumbai, not only India's but Asia's largest, most dangerous fuming dump which has children working onto it as scavengers. And in our endeavor to save those children from that drudgery of the life, just on the periphery of this dump, we have Gyan Sathi School, where we volunteers and other teachers and the staff and the management engages about 150 children, and they are taught right from standard 1 to standard 10. And for standard 10 we are teaching them science, English, maths, computers, internet, and in turn we find a beautiful huddle and response from these children. They stick together, they bond together, they are extremely receptive to everything which gets taught to them. They give us tons of affection, and you will be surprised. Last year, in a class of 22, all 22 graduated Maharashtra 10th board, and from those 22, 16 scoring more than 16%, and from those 16, it was 13 girls who scored more than 60%. And here you are face to face with them, you can see their poise, you can see their confidence, and you can see their mischief. And here they are intent in doing their DIY, do it yourself, learn by yourself, huddle together, support each other, and that is the institution I'm sharing with you. Extremely frugal, extremely thin, extremely neat, extremely lean, and wonderful for you to pay attention to them. And here you can see how these kids, they transform once we have those social functions in the school. And this is the entire team before you, from the director to the leader to the staff and the volunteers. So in the end, I am saying to you, you can help. And I am your goalkeeper for every penny that you will donate. So please do help. Thank you very much.